What's up YouTube? Building Roots here. I just want to make a quick video on my very first dishwasher. I recently just bought my first place and it came with this Kenmore stainless steel dishwasher. So let's take a look. It's pretty nice. The brand is Kenmore. Some of the features and the cycles are parts and pans, normal wash, light wash, 1 hour wash, quick rinse, high temperature, sanitize rinse, heat dry, and 4 hour delay. Cycles, options, start, cancel, drain. It's a good look. We got the door latch right here. I'll give you a good view of everything. Here's the dispenser where the detergent goes. And then the lower rack. It's a pretty simple dishwasher. I'll mostly be doing most of my dishes by hand. I wonder what that is. Here's the spray arm, the lower spray arm, the filter and the element. Here's the tub view, upper rack, and as you see, another spray arm. And one big view from right here. Alright, well that was my Kenmore dishwasher. That was the first look at it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.